Children, today's topic is expanded form and short form. So, today we are going to learn how to write the expanded form of a number in two ways. Children, what is expanded form? Expanded means writing any number spread. Okay? From your book, taking the number, we will see the question number 1. The first number is given 4597. Now we will write this number in expanded form. So first, when we take the number, you have learned about place value of the number. So you know that 7 is at the ones place, 9 is at the tens place, 5 is at the hundred place, and 4 is at the thousand place. So when we are writing in the expanded form, we will write the place value of each number and we are going to add these place value. So what will we write? See this? 4 is at the thousand place. So first we will write 4 thousands. We have 500s. So we write 500s plus 500s. Plus what do we have next? At the tens column? 9. 9 tens. Plus we have 7 ones. So write here 7 ones. So what does the expanded form come to? The expanded form come to 4 thousands, 500s plus 9 tens plus 7 ones. Children, listen carefully. This is the place value thousands. That's why we will write the S. This is the place value hundreds. So we will write S. So children, when we are writing in the expanded form, we will always use the S. Okay? So 4 thousands plus 500s plus 9 tens plus 7 ones. Or in another way, how can we write? Children, this is the second way writing. This is the second way of writing. And this is the first way. Now we will do the second way. How will we write in the second way? So see carefully. 4 is thousands. 4 is thousands. So 4,000. Okay. Plus 5 is hundreds. 5 is 100. So 500. Plus 9 is 90. It is tens place. It is tens place. So 90, 90. Plus 7 is ones place. So it is 7. So now you have understood both ways of writing the numbers. This is our first way and this is our second way. Children, I will do other example with you. This is again for your book. Okay. The next number is 3345. How will we do this? So first of all, we will write place value. Then we can do it very easily. The place value of 5 is ones. The place value of 4 is tens. The place value of 3 is hundreds. Now 3 is written here also, but the place value of this 3 is the thousands. Okay. Now how do we do it? Do it in the same way. So we have 3 thousands. Plus what do we have next? 3. 3 is hundreds. 3 is hundreds place. So we'll write here 3 hundreds. Plus what do we have? 4. 4 is at tens place. So write 4 tens. Plus what do we have? 5. 5 ones. So write 4. So write 5 ones. Children, don't forget S. Okay. Now we can write it second way. Very easily. 3 is thousands. 3 is thousands. So write 3000. Plus we have 300s. Children, we have 300s. So 300s plus 300 right here. We have 4 tens. So 410 that is 4040. We have 5 ones. So plus 5. Okay. Children, you must have understood it easily now. Okay. Short form. Question 1 is 4000 plus 600 plus 9. Now, how do we write this in the short form? Let's learn. Here is 4000. So, we take 4 of the 4000. We have 600. So, we take 6 of 600. Look here, children. There is no tens. There is no tens. As we have already told you, when there is no number at any place, then we put 0 on that place. So, there is no tens. So, we will put 0 here. Do you understand? Okay. Now, we have 9 months. So, we take 9 of 9 months. So, it is now in short form. 4609. Clear? Let's me explain to you another question. Okay. See, 2000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 3. So this question do in the way. So this question do in the same way. We'll take 2 of 2000. We'll take 5 of 500. We'll take 40 to 4. And we have there and we have 3. So we'll write here 3. So this is done in the short form. 2543. Hopefully you have understood the expanded form and short form. Okay, children? Thank you.